जिंदा है, मेरे कातिल जिंदा है, बंद करो ये अत्याचार।
अस्तंत बंगालात जाल्ल्या बलात्कार हत्या प्रकरणाक जाप म्हूण पुराय देशात प्रोटेस्ट सुरू आसा। गोयचे दोतोर व्हडा संख्येन निषेधात सामील जाल्यात।
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
भारतीय वैजकी संघटनेन वैजकी सेवा 24 वरां बंद करपाची घोषणा केला। भारतातल्या दोतोरांचो देशभरात सम चालू आसा। हे कृतीचो परिणाम देशभरातल्या हॉस्पिटल आणि क्लिनिकांचेर जातलो। तातूंत गोय सयत दोतोरांनी संपात वांटो घेतला। 17 ऑगस्टाक सकाळी 6 वरांचेर सुरू जावपी इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशनान 24 वरां देशभर संप करता। दोतोरांच्या संपाचेर ओपीडी सेवांक मार बसपाचो दुबाव आसा।
This whole protest that we are doing is to show solidarity that residents cannot be taken for granted by the general public and also by anyone. We want some certain safety guidelines to be there so that we feel protected in our hospitals where we can work and give the best care to the patients. So that is all. And since such a big mishap has happened with a fellow resident, so we have not called anyone. We have just put that we are going. So everybody has come and they have extended the support by themselves. So everyone feels very deeply about it.
Peaceful protest rally आम्ही केली असायला. We have followed all the directives from the traffic police. We have allowed the traffic to go smoothly, and as a gathering we have arranged here. So we have had to prove a point just so that the victim gets justice as fast as possible in Kolkata rape and murder case, in solidarity with the rest of the IMA and the rest of the nation. Basically, so here we are stopping the rally, and we will be continuing our protest back in Goa Medical College here after this. So we will be going. Some of us will be going to the Pato Plaza where they are parking. बाकीचे आम्ही बसून वयतले GMC भितर, and we will continue the protest there.
So this is nationwide, sir?
This is nationwide protest. IMA has shut down all medical facilities, but Resident Doctor Association has been continuing the protest since last 4-5 days. So, and we have joined them yesterday, and from yesterday we are continuing. So today this was our part, and we will continue the protest until the justice is delivered.
So how long?
This we are in coordination with FORDA, MARD, and the rest of the organizations that are there, and we'll take a collective call on this, and we still stand in solidarity because we are not going to give up until the justice is delivered.
केन्ना बरें रेज्यूम जातले म्हटल्यार OPDs?
OPDs resume जावपाचे. It will start as soon as possible because we also want to go back to work, get back to work.
We are waiting for a national resolution. Our central demands are, we are not demanding it from a specific authority. When all the resident associations all over India unitedly decide that we can resume our OPDs, the OPDs will be continued. This is a national solidarity event.
मजगती भाजपा महिला मोर्चान लेगीत सायलेंट प्रोटेस्ट केलो।
एवरी टाइम जेन्ना महिला मोर्चा आसा ती उतरलीच आसा, वाईट म्हणून घेयनाका, पण आयचे जेन्ना आमी पळयता आयची जी गोष्ट आसा, आमी पत्रकार बंधू कडेन विनंती करता अशें न्ही की खंय तरी केस खंयची तरी जाल्ली तेज्या बद्दल हे करपाक, तेजे आयज जी खरोखरच आयज जी गोष्ट जाल्ली आसा तेज्या बद्दल आमी आयज
आता ती तशें तुम्ही बीजेपी सरकार ना, पण बाकीचे जेन्ना बीजेपी सरकार बाकीच्या राज्यांनी आसा जाल्यार तुम्ही रस्ते देवपाचे।
प्रत्येक टायमार जेन्ना अशें महिलांचेर अन्याय जातले त्या वेळार आमी
आमी दिसकूच ना न्हू, तेजे पयलीं दिसना। आनी इवन गोंयान जायते मुद्दे आसा
अजून जस्टीस गावलो
तेन्ना आमी अशी रस्त्यार देवपाक तयार आसा।
आतां ल्हान भुरग्याची एक बॉडी गावला मंगळूरार, तुमकां खबर आहा ती?
मंगळूर जेन्ना पयर एक ल्हान भुरग्याचे डेड बॉडी हे पळयले थंयसर,
तेन्ना बी आमी बीजेपीक मेळ्ळा केन्नाच ना रस्त्यार।
जस्ट बिकॉज आता दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन जी आता इन्सिडेंट झाला
पॉलिटिक्स जालें अशें न्हू,
नॉन गव्हर्मेंट
गव्हर्मेंट बीजेपी सरकार ना न्हू, आता गोंयानूय अशे क्रायम्स वाडलेले आसा।
जेन्ना खंयी आसूं, जेन्ना असो महिलांचेर अन्याय आसतलो तेन्ना आमी फुडें सरतली।
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि सानिका नागवेकर।